Breville Smart Snoop Ice Cream Maker. This device is a compressor-style ice cream maker, equipped with a built-in motor that simultaneously cools and churns liquid bases into various frozen treats such as ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or frozen yogurt. In contrast to canister-style ice cream makers like the Cuisinart yogurt, ice cream, and sorbet freezer, which we previously ranked as the top overall, the Breville does not require pre-freezing the mixing bowl for 16 to 24 hours before use. This feature makes it an instant hit for those sudden ice cream cravings. The Breville is an ideal choice for those seeking an elevated ice cream making experience, especially if kitchen space is at a premium. It consistently produces approximately 1.1 quarts, just over 2 pints of superior quality ice cream in every batch. Impressively, even vegan ice cream made with oat milk and coconut cream came out rich and sweet. The machine boasts a sophisticated LCD screen displaying temperature, time, and hardness settings. Operating this machine requires no special preparation. No need for ice, rock salt, or pre-freezing. Some users have even reported adding ingredients directly to the bowl and activating the Smart Scoop. A dial facilitates the selection from 12 automatic hardness settings, spanning sorbet, frozen yogurt, gelato, and ice cream. Alternatively, you can opt for manual control and set the timer to churn the mixture for your preferred duration. Given that ice cream making is essentially the science of cooling liquids, this machine allows you to toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius at the touch of a button. The mixture function enables the addition of a variety of ingredients, from fruits to candies, at the perfect moment. The Smart Scoop offers 12 hardness settings divided across 4 different dessert styles, providing a wide range of texture options. The machine incorporates a removable tray, simplifying the task of scooping out your frozen desserts and cleaning up afterwards. This feature, along with its many other conveniences, cements the Breville Smart Scoop ice cream maker's position as the best overall ice cream maker of 2024. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.